was a time when American cars were all about long body lines, smooth V8 power, and effortless cruising comfort, and the 1975 Chevrolet Malibu perfectly captures that golden era. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a beautiful gray-on-gray example, featuring a sleek gray exterior paired with a matching gray interior that gives this classic Malibu a clean, understated, and timeless personality. The 1975 Malibu wasn't designed to be flashy or extreme. Instead, it delivered style, comfort, practicality, and classic American road presence in one complete package. Decades later, it still carries that unmistakable vintage charm that enthusiasts love. Exterior. The first thing you notice about the 1975 Chevrolet Malibu is its balanced and elegant design. Finished in metallic gray, the car looks mature, clean, and effortlessly cool. The color suits the Malibu perfectly because it highlights the body lines without overpowering the classic styling. Under sunlight, the gray paint reveals subtle metallic reflections that make the car feel even more premium. At the front, the wide chrome grille instantly establishes that classic mid-70s American identity. The grille design is simple but bold, framed by dual round headlights that give the Malibu a confident and approachable face. The chrome front bumper adds extra visual weight and completes the vintage appearance beautifully. The hood stretches forward with smooth sculpted lines, emphasizing the car's long proportions. Unlike many modern cars filled with sharp creases and aggressive angles, the Malibu embraces softer body lines that create a more relaxed and elegant look. From the side, the Malibu's proportions feel perfectly balanced. The long hood, flowing roofline, and short rear deck create a timeless coupe profile that still looks attractive today. The gray paint enhances the smoothness of the body, while chrome trim around the windows and body edges adds contrast and vintage character. Classic steel wheels or period-correct rally wheels complete the look, depending on the trim and restoration style. The stance feels low, wide, and unmistakably American. At the rear, the design remains clean and simple. Rectangular taillights sit neatly within chrome trim, while the rear bumper mirrors the front design with its wide chrome finish. Every angle of the Malibu feels authentic, honest, and timeless. Interior. Step inside the gray interior, and you immediately understand the Malibu's focus on comfort and simplicity. Unlike modern cabins overloaded with technology, the 1975 Malibu keeps everything straightforward and easy to enjoy. The gray bench seats are wide, soft, and designed for relaxed cruising. Whether upholstered in cloth or vinyl, the seating feels comfortable and period-correct. The matching gray interior theme gives the cabin a calm and cohesive atmosphere that perfectly complements the exterior color. The dashboard features a classic horizontal layout with analog gauges, chrome trim accents, and simple controls that are easy to operate. Everything feels mechanical and authentic, reminding you of an era before digital screens took over automotive design. The steering wheel is large and thin, giving the driver that classic vintage driving feel. Behind it, the instrument cluster is clean and easy to read, featuring traditional analog dials that add to the nostalgic experience. Space inside the Malibu is generous for a mid-size coupe of its time. Front passengers enjoy wide seating and excellent visibility thanks to the large windows and thin roof pillars. Rear passengers also have decent room, making the Malibu practical for everyday cruising and weekend drives alike. The cabin overall feels airy and relaxed. Soft carpeting, padded armrests, and chrome details create a warm and welcoming environment that perfectly matches the Malibu's laid-back personality. Performance. Under the hood, the 1975 Chevrolet Malibu could be equipped with several engine options, including smooth inline-six engines and classic small-block V8 powerplants. Depending on configuration, the Malibu offered a balance between comfort, cruising ability, and traditional American torque. The V8-equipped versions deliver that unmistakable old-school American driving character. Press the accelerator, and the engine responds with smooth low-end torque and a deep, satisfying rumble. It's not about high-revving performance, it's about effortless power delivery and relaxed cruising. The automatic transmission shifts softly and smoothly, perfectly matching the Malibu's calm driving nature. Every movement feels relaxed rather than aggressive. Ride quality is one of the car's biggest strengths. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing road imperfections with ease. Whether cruising through town or driving on highways, the Malibu feels stable and composed. Steering is light, especially at lower speeds, making the car surprisingly easy to drive despite its size. On highways, the Malibu settles into a smooth cruising rhythm that perfectly captures the spirit of 1970s American motoring. Fuel economy, naturally, is not comparable to modern vehicles, especially with larger V8 engines. But during this era, comfort and driving feel mattered far more than efficiency numbers. Driving the 1975 Chevrolet Malibu is all about enjoying the journey. Everything about the car encourages a relaxed pace and a calm mindset. You don't rush in a Malibu, you cruise. Around town, the car feels smooth and easygoing. The soft suspension and light steering make daily driving comfortable, while the large windows provide excellent visibility. On open highways, the Malibu truly shines. The car glides over the road with confidence, and the cabin remains surprisingly comfortable even on longer drives. The gentle V8 rumble, the soft ride, and the spacious cabin combine to create a deeply nostalgic driving experience. Modern cars often isolate drivers from the road completely, but the Malibu still gives you that mechanical connection that makes classic cars feel alive and memorable. Everywhere it goes, the Malibu attracts attention. Not because it's loud or aggressive, but because it carries authentic vintage American charm. Price and collector value. Today, the 1975 Chevrolet Malibu continues to gain appreciation among classic car enthusiasts. Depending on condition, originality, engine choice, and restoration quality, prices generally range from around $10,000 to over $35,000 for exceptionally clean or highly restored examples. Gray-on-gray combinations are especially attractive because they give the car a clean and timeless appearance that feels both elegant and understated. Well-maintained examples with original trim, rust-free bodies, and healthy V8 engines are becoming increasingly desirable as interest in 1970s American classics continues to grow. The gray 1975 Chevrolet Malibu with matching gray interior is a perfect reminder of what made classic American cars so special. Comfortable, stylish, smooth, and full of personality, it captures the spirit of an era when driving was about enjoying the road rather than rushing through it. From its elegant exterior styling to its soft and spacious interior, from its relaxed V8 performance to its timeless cruising character, every part of the Malibu delivers authentic vintage charm. It may not have modern technology or extreme horsepower, but what it offers instead is something far more emotional. Simplicity, comfort, and true classic car character. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the legendary Chevrolet Malibu, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more classic and luxury car reviews.